This is a video detailing the Razer Tartarus V2 and the issues I've been having with the keypad. You can hear it when I click. There's only 7 clicks. So starting in the forward direction is where I will start with it. You will only hear 7 as I make my way around. And that's ending back forward. And here's the video of the game, where if I start to try and walk into a circle, it will not work. I will not shift up and to the right, and I will only sometimes shift up and to the left. Even if you can hear the clicking, it still will not strafe. He can go sideways, he can go forward and back and side, but if I try to go diagonal forward, he will not. Only sideways and forward.